All right.
Wow.
We're recording.
Yeah.
1 toddler, 10 robots.
1, 2, 3, 5.
10.
5 Bobo.
Yeah, that's right. 10. You got the right fingers out.
I got the remote.
Oh, you got the remote. Who does the remote go to?
Whoa.
It goes to Cordy.
Yeah. I'm not going to go back. I'm not going to go back. Silly cookie.
Silly Cordy.
Mama, I can't catch you talking again. Mama, what's he doing? Uh-oh.
Oh, it works for both of them.
Yeah.
Cordy and Martin.
Yeah.
Martin's brush sounds like it's bad. Where's the replacement brush? Did he get the bad brush?
Yeah.
Grab that brush right there and swap it out.
Mama, I can get out.
Yep, swap it out. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Almost. There you go.
When you brush it. Hey, wait. I need one.
Go that way?
Yep.
Oh, does this one not fit? I found this one last night and I was thinking maybe it fits, but I don't think it does.
Yeah.
It doesn't fit. Yeah, Martin's brush is all chewed up.
Yeah.
You'll have to go brushless and I'll order some more.
I'll open a new one.
Yeah, I'll order a new one.
Yeah. I'll come back.
Okay.
I'm going to see. Mama, I see a new one.
Yep, that's a new one. It's new Iro.
And I will.
Uh-huh.
I'll make new one.
Is it Bobo Maintenance Day?
Yeah.
So you want to clean him out?
Yep.
Okay.
Mama, oh wait, big.
Okay. Yes, he's big. Don't drop him on your toe. Remember what happened then?
Yep.
Yeah?
I'll hop in the alley. Got it.
Oh, whoa. Garbage.
Yeah.
Yuck.
Mama, open your garbage.
Yeah. Open it up so you can get it all out.
Okay. Look one way.
Look at his Bobo potty training chart.
Yeah.
JJ's potty training Bobo.
Yeah.
Coloring rewards. Use potty, wash hands, great job. Yay. Okay,
Yeah.
now.
One. I will.
You gonna put these back together?
Yeah.
Ugh.
One way.
Long way.
I did do it. Got it.
Okay,
Now.
now, what's next?
Get the arrow. One, two.
That's right, 2.
2 Bobo.
2 Bobos.
9. Mama.
Uh-oh, he's stuck.
Mama, I do it. I do it.
There.
Did it.
Now we'll clean.
Then you can clean.
Okay. Open the other one.
That one?
Sometimes he goes full maintenance.
That one?
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Like that one. Which one?
That one.
That one?
Yeah! Mama, looking!
Yay!
High five!
High five.
No. High five!
Oh, those are some Mickey brushes.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's full.
Yeah, oh, cool.
We got a couple bits of dog food and even a macaroni. Whoa.
We'll put it clean.
Yeah, take it to the garbage.
Okay?
It's not quite going in there because there's still junk. There's a macaroni.
Mama, I can get it.
What you bumping him for?
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Can't do what? We gotta clean these rollers out, but we gotta do it when Mommy has 2 free hands.
Mama, he's calm.
Yeah, I'll have to get a
Yeah.
tripod thing out to...
One brushes, 2 brushes.
That's right.
2 brushes.
2 brushes on 2 Bobos.
Yeah.
That's a lot of hair.
Brushes, 2 brushes, 2 brushes, 2 brushes, 2 brushes. Come on, 2 brushes.
Okay.
Mommy, you please. Mama. Mama. What, I got the new one. Wait. Mama, wait.
Woo!
Mama, you're going to catch it, Toddler. I got it. Yay! Mama. I'll help Bobo away. Mama, most, wait. Mama, I got new one. Mama, I'll hide a new bobby. I'll come in the mail. I'll come in the mail.
Yeah.
Mama, looky.
Yeah.
Oh, looky! Yeah. Oh, fuck. I did it. Uh-oh. I didn't clean.
Whoa. That was our first one. She's been bumped around a lot.
Hey, wait.
Whoa.
Mama, I want to see E. Mama, I got the white E. Mama, I got the white E.
Is she even working?
Yeah.
Whoa, she does. She still works.
Yeah, oh, look. Good job, E.
Good job. Okay.
I'm going to do that.
There you go.
I'm probably like it.
Start recharging. Start charging.
Mama, good job. Now what we clean?
Went to his dog. Do 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 do.
Mama, I'll go back to the charger.
Okay, get Martin to join the party.
Okay.
You can leave the roller out. We'll get a new one
Okay.
since it's so loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then the couple. Then you couple. Liquor.
Start him up.
Okay. Okay, you know.
Tycom didn't charge?
Low battery.
Yeah. Tycom didn't charge. It's okay, let him charge. What about Hoover? Did Hoover charge?
Yeah.
Hoover needs a new battery, but it is an expensive battery. Beep, beep. New battery? Yeah. That one I haven't found a new battery for yet.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the mop?
Okay. What color?
Where's the little mopping part that hooks on the bottom? The pad.
Oh no,
Where's the rest of him?
Mama. Look at the way.
Where'd it go?
Oh
Hmm. Hmm. Sometimes we take Bobos apart all over the house, huh?
no. Yeah. Mama, see what?
Those are the trackers.
Yeah. What did you do?
Let's see.
Oh, a clap. Oh, okay.
You're okay.
Low battery. Please charge. Low battery. Stop charging. Low battery. Charge. Start recharging.
Mama, help me. Good job. Mama, good job. Oh, I couldn't in your papa's house.
Yeah, is that who you're gonna take to Nana Papa's house?
Yeah.
Is Tycone? Who are you gonna take with you?
Oh, you are.
New Iro?
Yeah, Mama, I will give you. Papa, I think you I will in the papa's house.
Okay.
I think you torture.
Okay.